Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are good. Today I'm going to tell you about some skincare products which I used and I got benefited from it. So for that reason, you guys actually ask some thing and some skincare products according to your problem. Some have some got oily skin, some got fair skin. So there are a lot of skin issues according to that. So today I'm going to tell you about a new product which I used it and I actually bought it from daraz app. सो जो है वो दराज ऐप जो है दे एक्चुअली गिव यू चीप प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल बिकॉज वेन एवर यू सर्च good products on Instagram, they actually started from 1000 and then it will go on. The prices are so high that no one can else buy it by their own pocket money. It's nowadays it's really very expensive and it's not very cheap to earn learn or like earning things are really very daunting task. It's very hard task to do that. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न जिन लोगों का इशू था आई हैव सम क्वेरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कि अभी हमें जो है ना वी हैव जस्ट ड्राई oily skin and we just got pimples over here and which products is not very expensive, just recommend us and all that stuff. So I'm going to tell you that the product which I use it more and nowadays I'm using it more and it actually gave me a glow on my skin. Other than that, I whenever I saw some pimples and the open pores issue over here, whenever I use that product it actually shrink my pores and I actually love in it because it really helped me and it do not cost me a lot. It's not pricey as well. So here I'm going to show you, like I have been using it almost a month and it gives me a result. So don't judge the product like whenever I'm going to use it it will give me a glow on my face. No, not at all. Just give it a time. It will take time to give you result on your skin as well. So just wait for a moment. Just don't be go with like that कि oh ये जो है ना it is not giving me the result, this is a bad product, and just throw in the bin. So don't do that. Just give it a time and it will give you better result as well. So I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you over here like which product I am I'm using right now. So it is a generous product, right? Okay, just ignore the mess which is behind me. So I don't able to make it correct and make a bed for me as well. So I just jump over here and make a video just for you guys. So this is a product I'm going to show you. This is generous product and the product which is from generous skincare and it is actually giving you glow toner hair, and it's even skin pores and all that stuff, and it's good for anti-aging as well. So I bought this bottle around of about 300 or 350 something from daraz. You can search of it. It's generous, okay, generous skin toner, and it actually these products are not very expensive and it's not very high rated right now because no one use like that. Everyone goes towards expensive things and like exorbitant things like these things are more good and these things are not good. People are almost judging things according to the price, but I am not the one who are actually judging that in that way. I actually want to explore things by using it. Like I have to I know, and I wanted to make a command over myself that I can use a good thing and I can advise you to use it well. So this is generous product, ठीक है, it's really very good. आप इसको use कर सकते हैं and it is in a large quantity. It's in a big quantity and I've been using it for a month and it's it is almost there. Like you have to use it for almost twice a day, and it will really help you in overcome this issue of open pores, and it will give you a glow as well. It will shrink your pores. It will motivate you to use that product as well, because जब भी हम जो है ना whenever we don't get results तो हम कहते हैं यार छोड़ो यार, let it be. So other than that, I also use that products as a generous toner. It's a brightening serum. ठीक है, that was a toner and that is a serum. It's not sponsored video at all because these are also very cheap products. They cannot give me benefit or sponsoring it. But yes, अगर आपको कोई cheap products मिल रही है तो you just have to try it on your skin and you just have to see the results. Either you getting it or you are not getting it. So फॉर मी ये दोनों अच्छी हैं, आप इनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप इनको जो है यू कैन ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम दराज बिकॉज इट्स एन ऑनलाइन ऐप. आई एक्चुअली बॉट इट फ्रॉम दराज सो आई कैन रिकमेंड इट टू यू एज़ वेल. एंड अदर देन दैट इसकी इन दोनों की प्राइस जो है ना, इट्स रियली वेरी चीप. 350 रुपीज़ जो है, इट्स नॉट सो हार्ड टू स्पेंड ऑन समथिंग. इट्स नॉट हार्ड ऑन योर पॉकेट एज़ वेल. सो ये दोनों अच्छे हैं. आपने इन दोनों को लगाना कैसे हैं, दिन में 2 दफ़ा लगाना है. जस्ट यू हैव टू वॉश योर फेस फर्स्ट. ठीक है, उसको क्लीन कर लें. डैम्प है डजेंट मैटर, ज़रा सा भी वेट है तो इट्स ओके, इसमें कोई ऐसा इशू नहीं है. इनमें जो है ना, ये सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये थी जो मुझे लगी थी कि जब मैंने लगाया था ना तो मेरी ग्लो आना शुरू हो गया था. क्योंकि हम लोग जो है ना वे एक्चुअली गो फॉर ग्लो एज़ वेल लाइक. ठीक है, तो आपने क्या करना है, टोनर लगाना है. पहले मैं आपको लगा के दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है, सॉरी, इसकी बॉटल ऐसे है, इसकी बॉटल ऐसे खुलती है. ठीक है, आप इसको यूँ करेंगे, ये मेरे पास ये निकला. ठीक है, और फिर उसके बाद अपने स्किन पे अपने यूँ टैप 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 करना है. ठीक है, ये उसके बाद जब ये ड्राई हो जाएगा, बहुत अच्छी स्मेल है. ठीक है, और ये ड्राई हो जाएगा, जस्ट लीव इट फॉर 1 to 2 seconds एंड देन उसके बाद जो है ना यू हैव टू अप्लाई द सीरम एज़ वेल. डे टाइम में अगर आप इसको यूज़ करेंगे, सीरम की कंसिस्टेंसी आपको दिखा देती हूँ. लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज़ द कंसिस्टेंसी. ठीक है, ये कंसिस्टेंसी वाटर बेस्ड है. ठीक है, ये मैं अपने हाथ पे भी लगा के दिखा देती हूँ. मुंह पे सिन लगा रही हूँ, मेकअप किया हुआ है. सो जस्ट फ़ायदा कोई नहीं, हाथ पे भी लगा के आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ठीक है, तो ये जो है ना आपने इस तरह करना है एंड देन जस्ट डैब इट लाइक ऑन योर स्किन. ऐसे टक टक की आवाज़ आ रही है, लाइक इस तरह करके आपने इसको डैब करना है एंड देन जस्ट लीव इट फॉर ड्राई एज़ वेल. उसके बाद दिन में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो यू जस्ट हैव टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन ऑन इट. एंड अदर देन इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग एट नाइट देन इट्स ओके, डोंट यूज़ एनी सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज सन इज़ appears on the day, like not in the night. So this is a video. I hope you like it, and if you like it then give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Other than that नहीं भी अच्छा लगा तो यार कर दो सब्सक्राइब. इट्स ओके, कुछ इंसान की गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं. डजेंट मैटर. आई होप विल मीट यू with some other new content and I hope we'll meet you again. Bye bye.